Thank you, Madam President. I rise today to express my
Senator from Washington.
I rise today to express my support for the nomination of Stanley Bastian to be the district judge for the Eastern District of Washington. Stan Bastian is exactly the kind of highly qualified federal judge that Eastern Washington needs. The Eastern District of Washington represents a swath of Washington that is 20 counties and over 63% of our state, yet the court has been operating with 2 vacancies. So it is time for the Senate to move forward on fulfilling this position, and I hope we confirm Mr. Bastian today, and I hope we can move forward on a vote for Mr. Salvador Mendoza in the coming weeks as well. Mr. Bastian has been an outstanding choice for the Eastern District bench, and we want to make sure that we understand why. He was born in Washington and is well-versed in Pacific Northwest issues. As my colleagues, Mr. Wyden and Mr. Merkley, will note, he is a graduate of the University of Oregon, but he also went to law school at University of Washington. He has handled a diverse portfolio of legal matters, including representing counties, public utility districts, fruit growers, medical clinics, brokers, and individuals, and he brings more than 30 years of legal experience to the federal bench, including 25 years in private practice. As well-rounded and experienced from all sides of the legal process, from civil and criminal trials to mediation and arbitration and negotiation of various parties, throughout his career, he has shown a dedication to justice and equal access to the law. As an experienced trial attorney, he has earned the support and recognition of his peers. When I interviewed him, I was impressed by his respect for legal precedent, his commitment to the rule of law, his work to improve access to justice, and a local knowledge that is very important to serving Eastern Washington and all of Washington. Mr. Bastian also served as a judicial pro tem in municipal courts, and recently he had the opportunity to lead the Washington State Bar Association. As the president of that organization, Mr. Bastian focused on ethics, professionalism, and the civility in the legal profession. So he has a long and wide-ranging background in the law and community. So that's exactly why we should put him on the federal bench. His legal career exemplifies public service, a commitment to justice, and a stellar legal intellect. I'm confident that he will serve the Eastern District well. So I hope that, Madam President, we will move forward on these nominees this afternoon and confirm Mr. Bastian. I thank the President. I yield the floor, and I suggest the absence of a quorum.
The clerk will call the roll.